A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to English Grammar online class. Students, today we will revise some topics of grammar, lesson number 9 to 13. Today we will revise these topics: personal pronouns, compound personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. First, we will revise these topics one by one. After that, we will have revision test. So let us start. See, what is a pronoun? Firstly, let us understand pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. In personal pronouns, we studied about first person, second person, and third person. See, all pronouns that are used for the person speaking, means who is speaking, are known as pronouns of the first person, like I, we. Second person, all pronouns that are used for the person spoken to, means whom you are talking, are called pronouns of the second person, like you, your. Third person, all pronouns that are used for the person spoken about whom you are talking, are called pronouns of the third person, like he, she, it. Then we have compound personal pronoun. See students, compound personal pronouns are formed by adding self to the singular, like my plus self, myself, your plus self, yourself, him plus self, himself, her plus self, herself, it plus self, itself. And selves to plural, like our plus selves, ourselves, your plus selves, yourselves, them plus selves, themselves. So we make compound personal pronouns by adding self to singular and selves to plural. Then we have demonstrative pronouns. In demonstrative pronouns, we have studied about demonstrative words, this, that, these, and those. See, demonstrative pronouns are used to point out or show the objects to which they refer. We use this and these for people or things that are near to us. Okay, the people and things which are near to us. We use that and those for people or things that are farther away from us. The things which are far, we use that and those. This and that for singular, and these and those for plural. Then we studied about interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Interrogative words are like who, whom, whose, which, what, why, where. And we put the interrogative marks, that is question mark, at the end of such sentences. Then we have relative pronouns. Relative pronouns does two things. The first is it connects two statements, so it does the work of a conjunction too. And second one is it does the work of a pronoun. Okay, so the relative pronouns are used to connect two statements and form one. And we use these words in mid of the sentence to connect them: who, whom, which, that, whose, where, like that. Now, let us start the revision test. We have discussed some topics. Related to those topics, we have a worksheet here. See the question number 1. Write the appropriate pronoun to replace the colored noun. Here in the sentences you can see one word is colored. Okay, that is noun, but you have to change it, you have to replace it in pronoun. Instead of that this noun, you have to write pronoun word. The flower is beautiful. The woman is running. The children are learning their lessons. The cup is on the table. Write down the answers carefully. Then see question number 2. Fill interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, remember, asking question. Question what you have to fill here. So fill interrogative pronouns here. First is dash is in your purse. Second, dash is this pen. Third, dash came to meet you. Then fourth, dash of these shorts is yours. So think about the question word you have to fill here. Think about the answers, write down the answers. Then we have question number 3. Fill relative pronouns. Okay, fill relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect two statements. So remember, fill relative pronouns. I hate children dash are naughty. Rashmi is the girl dash I want to meet. This is the magician dash we saw yesterday. Think about the answers. Do it properly. Now, let's have our next question. Question number 4. Fill this and these in the blanks. Remember, demonstrative pronouns. This we use for the things which are near, and these we use for the things which are near, but this is used for singular and these are used for plural. This and these both are used for the near things, but this is for singular, these is for plural. Dash is your shirt. Look, dash gloves are really cool. Dash shoes are too small for me. Dash hat looks funny. Try another one. Think about the answers. You have to fill this and these here. Now next question. Question number 5. Fill compound personal pronouns. Compound personal pronouns you have to fill. Remember? Compound personal pronouns are formed by adding suffix. Okay? Self and selves. Now, they will do it dash. You dash can do it. The city dash is very large. Think about the answers. Compound personal pronoun you have to fill here in the blanks. Think about the answers. Fill the answers carefully. You will get the answer sheet also. After doing the test paper, you can match your answers with the given answer sheet in the video at the last. Now here is the answer sheet. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the answers of question number 1 to 5 are given here. Match your answers with your whatever you have written. If the answers are correct, mark tick and give 1 mark. And if answers are wrong, then cross and deduct 1 mark. Okay, so match your answers and correct whatever wrongs you have done. Do the correction carefully. In the next class, we will revise some more topics and then we will have a revision test also. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.